In this video, we are going to fix the error code 0x803fb107 in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is to troubleshoot the Windows Store apps. Now navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, please proceed to the search bar, type for Windows Store. Then please wait until you can see a result, which is the find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it. And then afterwards, you can open another window where you can run the troubleshooter. Click on next. Wait until this would be done. And once you are done with this, I want you to restart the PC. And once you have restarted it, check if the error has been resolved. Okay? But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. So navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Or you can simply use the search bar here. You can type for store, and then the moment you have seen the store here, Microsoft Store, please navigate to the best matched. Make a right click and click on app settings. So eventually you'll be navigated to the app settings for Microsoft Store. No need to go with the apps one by one. Okay. Now from that, scroll down, click on repair and reset. So need to repair and reset the Microsoft Store. Wait until this would be finished. And once you are done with this, check if the error has been resolved. Okay. If not, then you need to proceed to the next solution, and that is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. The moment you have clicked on it, wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's move on to the last solution, and that is to disable antivirus. So if you have an antivirus running in your PC, I want you to disable that. And once you have disabled such, try to check if the error has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.